Dear students, welcome back to next video lesson of classification of elements and periodicity in properties. In this video lesson, we will going to learn about electronegativity. Electronegativity of an element is the tendency of atoms to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a covalent bond. What it defines? It is a tendency of atoms to attract or to pull the electrons pair towards the nucleus. So it is the electronegativity. See in given below, sodium atom, it is an electropositive element. It consisting of 11 protons, that 11 protons is equal to 11 electrons. Then chlorine consisting of 7 protons is equal to 7 electrons. So one extra electron of the sodium, it attracts towards the chlorine. Chlorine attracts the extra electron from the sodium because in order to complete chlorine, it wants 1 electrons. 7 valence electrons are there. So in order to complete octet, it wants 1 electron. So it tendency to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself. So this chlorine is act as a electronegative element. This sodium becomes electropositive. See, it becomes electropositive by losing 1 electron. So this sodium, it attract the 1 electrons from the, or it accept the 1 electron from the sodium. So the electron pair that can be dragged right over the chlorine. So chlorine attract the electrons towards itself. So this is the electronegative element. This electronegativity is not a measurable quantity. There is a numerical scales of the electronegativity that can be calculated by some scales. Those scales are named as Pauling scale, Mulliken-Joffe scales, Alfred-Rocchow scales have been developed. So Pauling scale is used to measure electronegativity. Variation of electronegativity in periodic table. The electronegativity of any given element is not a constant. It varies depending upon the element to element which is bound. Electronegativity generally increases across a period from left to right in the periodic table, and electronegativity decreases down the group. Why electronegativity left to right side increases? Because left to right side atomic number goes on increases, the shells remains the same, number of electrons are added, that electrons are attracted towards the nucleus more because nucleus is a positive, electrons are negative charge, the pulling or the attraction of electrons towards the nucleus is more from left to right side. So left to right side, the element fluorine shows the highest electronegative values. So the more electronegative element is fluorine from left to right side. So electronegativity generally increases across the period from left to right side. Then down the group electronegativity decreases because down the group whenever the atomic number increases, the number of shells are added. Then the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron is more, where the last orbit. Top to bottom, the size goes on increases, then last shell, 7th cell, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell goes on increases. Then whenever electrons are added to the outermost shell, that electrons are attracted by the nucleus will less attract because distance is more means that shell is far away from the nucleus. So attraction of the outermost shell and the nucleus is less. Lesser the attraction, then the shared pair of electrons attracted towards the nucleus is also less. So the process of electronegativity is less from the top to bottom. So top to bottom electronegativity values decreases because the attraction power for the nucleus and the electrons will be less. Electronegativity value is also less. See, from left to right side, second period elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and fluorine. Nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Lithium shows electronegativity values 1, then 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. So left to right side electronegativity values increases. Then the highest is in fluorine. The element fluorine shows the highest electronegative values. Then for the third period elements, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. So the electronegativity values goes on increases. Then chlorine shows the electronegativity 3. As compared to fluorine and chlorine, top to bottom. In halogen family elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetine, top to bottom electronegativity values decreases. Here, take top to bottom elements. These electronegativity values measured by the Pauling scales. Then down the group electronegativity values goes on decreases. See, for lithium 1, sodium 0.9, for potassium 0.8, for rubidium 0.8, for cesium 0.7. Electronegativity values top to bottom goes on decreases. Then for the halogen family elements, electronegativity values for fluorine 4, chlorine 3, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5, acetine 2.2. So top to bottom electronegativity values decreases. This is all about electronegativity definition, variation of electronegativity in the periodic table.